All right, guys, what we have right here, okay, is going to be the DMan Drill, all right? The athlete will catch the ball anywhere in the key, make a move on the DMan, make a shot, turn around, look for a ball from either wing at any time. Here we go. There, okay, soft touch. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go. Elevate, there you go. Okay. Good, there we go, turn the shoot, turn the shoot, turn the shoot. Good job. Here we go, right here, right here. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Keep working, keep working. There it goes. Good shot. Perfect. Good shot. So in this drill right here, okay, the athlete will come off the screen, catch the pass, turn, shoot over the DMan. What the DMan does is, with his arms up, it forces the athlete to go triple extension at highest point and shoot the ball, okay? Off the screen, there you go, catch and shoot. Good job. Back at it again, come on, let's go. Really come off the screen, here we go. Catch and shoot. There we go. Here we go, really come off. Catch and shoot. Highest point, block it. Boom. So what we got right here, great drill for the big man using the DMan, okay? The athlete will catch a pass from the top part of the perimeter, turn around, catch and shoot. Let's go. Good job, elevate, get up, get up, get up, get up. Good job, you're on the DMan, post him up, post him up. Okay guys, we got the RainMaker right here. What this does is it makes the rim go from 18 inches to 15 inches. It gives the shooter more confidence, gives them more accuracy, makes them force more arc onto their shots. The RainMaker makes the shot a little more difficult. Shoot perfect. There it goes. Good shot, good shot, good shot. Good job. Keep working, good shot, good arc. Keep working, keep working, keep working. Good job, right there. Good shot, good shot, good shot.